So I thought I'd make a little video about this Sudoku variant that I made about 3 years ago now. You can see we're on day 1047 at the top. So you automatically get a new one of these games each day if you go to the website. I started it at the height of the Wordle craze. You can see I even copied the Wordle colours. So it's a variation on Sudoku, but there are yellow clues as well as green clues, and it marks it as you go. So let's start. So we can see here the 2's got to be on the top row, 2 2, so that's got to be a 2, and you can see you can either do it if you're playing on a phone or a laptop. You just use the keypad here and touch it with your finger or use a mouse. If you're doing it on a computer, you can also move the cursor around using the cursor keys and just press a number, and then you can do space or delete or whatever if you want to rub them out. So it's up to you. I prefer to use the mouse even when I'm on a computer. So 3, 1. Right, the 1. This is where the yellow clues come in. A yellow clue is a number that's wrong. So here we can see the 1 can't be there because there's 1 there, and it can't be there because it's in yellow, and so it's wrong. So it's got to be there. So that's a 1. And now, having put the 1 in there, I probably don't want to still see that 1 there. It's going to be confusing, so I can just go and hide it by clicking the space. So we carry on. Now the next thing I'll show you is if you make a guess that is just definitely wrong, it will colour that square black, and you'll be locked then. So if I was to, the square we're currently on there, if I was to guess that, say, a 7, which clearly it isn't because there's already a 7 here, but if I do 7, you see it colours it in dark grey, and I can't move the cursor now. It's stuck on there until I rub it out again. So I can either do delete or space, or click on the space bar on the space if I'm playing on a phone. Get rid of it. You can see now we've got a score at the bottom, conflicting guesses 1. Now the next thing, without working too hard at this, we can see in this square 1 2 3 4 5 and 9 are missing, and I'm not going to try and work it out. I'm just going to guess. So that I'm going to guess that one's a 5 and that one's a 9, and I was lucky, I got it right. So because whenever you fill in a complete row, column or block, it colours it in for you, marks it, and it's green here, so that's now correct. So let's carry on. So I'll do some more guesses so I can show you what happens when we get a guess that's wrong. So 4 has got to be either there or there. I'm going to guess it's there. What does that leave? 1 can't be there, or I'll guess that's a 1. What's still missing from this row? We've got to put in a 2, column. We've got to put in a 2, 7, 9, haven't we? Now that can't be 9. I'll guess, or 2, so that's got to be 7. So that leaves 2 and 9 up here. Again, I'll just guess. And now you can see what happens when you make a wrong guess. It colours it in yellow to say that they're wrong. And you can see here it's added 3, because it's given us 3 coloured squares, 3 to the clues provided. So it doesn't count the initial yellows when it starts, you just get those for free. But any yellows you incur afterwards count against your score. So I'll now have another guess since I'm showing you about guessing. So let's just move them all down one. So I'll guess that one's a 9, that one's a 1. Oh no, it can't be a 1. It's coloured it in black. Well, that's got to be a 2 if the 9 was right, and that's got to be a 1. And I've still got the 9 and 2 the wrong way around, so let's go and fix that. So that's going to be a 9, and that's a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, we've got to put a 5 in. 5, 7 and 8. So that can't be 7 or 8, that's got to be 5. 7 and 8, that's got to be 8. That's got to be 7. So I'll probably edit some out now, but I'm going to carry on filling this in, and I'll show you what it's like when we get in near the end. Near the end now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's got to be an 8. 4 can't be there or there, so it's got to be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 5, 6. That's got to be a 6. 7, 8. That one's going to be 9. You can see as you fill in each row, it'll be now. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's got to be a 5. That'll complete this column. It all gets green. We're missing a 1 from that column. What are we missing from here? 1, 2, 3. So this will complete the puzzle, and we'll get a score. You can see there, it's actually I've probably clipped the recording a bit, but we can see the bit that matters. It says results copied to clipboard, and we've got two black marks, 4 yellow ones with 4 clues, and it took 18 minutes and 24 seconds. And you could then go and, because that's on the clipboard, you could then go and post it on Facebook or whatever, as with Wordle. If you want to play a previous game, you can. You can see there it includes a link to the puzzle you've just done. In this case, number 1047. So if you're on a computer, or you can type in a URL, you could go and put at the end, look, it's called sudoffle.septimus.co.uk/sudoffle.php. If you just put that in, you'll get the puzzle of the day. If you put $P equals and a puzzle number at the end, then you'll get the one for that day. So you could put P equals 300 or something and get the one from day 300. If you try that, you'll find the very first few, it was a bit buggy. We were still debugging it. Once you get past about number 10, they're okay. They're all should be okay after that. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching.